Hello students, welcome back with new lecture of class 7 chapter 1 integers. Students, we are in exercise 1.3 question number 1. Question number 1 has 8 parts. What is question number 1? Find each of the following products. They have given us the numbers. We have to find out the products of that numbers. So the first part is A 3 into minus 1. So let us solve. Students, we know how to multiply the numbers. When it is one number with negative, what we do? We multiply the whole number, that is 3 into 1, and put the negative sign. So 3 ones are 3 and minus sign. 3 ones are 3 and minus sign. This is your answer. Now let us move to second number question. Second number, that is B, minus 1 into 225. Again same procedure. Since we are multiplying with minus 1, minus we will add afterwards. First we will multiply the two numerical values. 225 into 1 is 225 and minus sign. This is your answer. Third part, C, minus 21 into minus 30. Students, here we have two negative numbers. So when it is two negative numbers, the answer is coming in positive. We have to multiply 21 into 30. You know the rules. So 21 into 30, let us take in rough page. 21 into 30. First you are multiplying 0 to 21, so the answer is 0. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So your answer is 630. Since they are two negative numbers, 2 means even. For even, it becomes positive number. So your answer is 630. Let us move to next part, that is D part. Question is minus 316 minus 316 into minus 1. Again we are having two numbers with negative sign. 2 means even, so we will have the answer in positive. 316 into 1 is 316. Now E part, minus 15 multiply by 0 multiply by minus 18. Students, here you can see 0 is in multiplication with minus 15 and 0 is also in multiplication with minus 18. You multiply 0 with any number, your final answer will be 0 only. But let me solve with two numbers at once. So minus 15 into 0 is 0, multiply by minus 18. Again 0 into minus 18 will be 0. Now F part, question number F, minus 12 into minus 11 into minus 10 into 10, multiply by 10. Students, you know the associative property. In which you can group any two numbers and then multiply the third number. Here I want to group these two numbers, so I am grouping the second and third number. Minus 11 into 10 will give me minus 12 into minus 110, because 11 tens are 110. Now multiplying minus 12 with minus 112 will give me, let us solve with rough page, 110 into 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 0, 1 and 1. Your final answer will be 1320. Since they are negative integers and it is 2 which is even, so your answer will be in plus 1320. Students, you can also solve directly, because 12 11s is 132, and since you are multiplying with 10, so it will become 1320, but that will require some practice in multiplication, then only you can do it fast or faster. Now G, part number G, 9 multiply by minus 3 multiply by minus 6. Students, here it is 3 numbers, but since it is 2 negative numbers, final answer will be in positive only, but we will group 2 numbers at a time so we can solve it properly. I want to group first and last this time, so I will group first and last. 9 into minus 6 multiply by minus 3. In associative property, we can group any number, students. 9 6 are 54, and since it is 1 minus, so here it will be minus 54. Now students, multiplying it with minus 3, my resulting answer will be 162, students. We will check. 162 minus into minus will be plus. Since it is 2 minus, so your resulting answer will be plus. Let me check in rough page. 54 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 5 3s are 15, plus 1, 16. It is 162, students. How I calculated? I want to show you. I first calculated 50 into 3, 150, and then orally calculated 4 3s are 12 and added in mind. So it became 162. Students, you must also try to practice orally. Try to practice the multiplication orally. Now part number H. Question number 1 in that H is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Students, here there are 3 numbers which are negative, so our final answer will be in negative only. So students, let us start. I will group again first and last. I will explain you why I am doing so. Minus 18 multiply by minus 4. 18 2s are 36 and 18 4s are 72, students. Since it is 2 negatives, it will become plus. So 72, but in plus. Now I will multiply it with minus 5. So 1 negative, 1 positive, final answer will be negative. Now students, you know 72 into 10, if you do, it will become 720. Now since 5 is in between. 72 5s are, whatever the result will be, 72 into 10, whatever the result will be, you will divide by 2, you will get the answer 72 into 5. So 72 into 5 is 72 into 10 is 720, and divide by 2 you will get 360. See students, some calculations are very easy. Just you are supposed to know your tables and calculate it faster. You know 18 2s are 36. Now 36 2s are, if I make it 2 times 36 2, then it will become 72. That was the first calculation I did. Now 72 into 10 will be 720, but I was supposed to do 5s, right? If I am doing 72 5s, I must be doing like this in rough work. But since it is 5, what I did, I multiplied it with 10 and divided by 2. So I got the final result 360. If you didn't understood, students, let me show you with calculation. 72 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 5s are 35 and 1 36. So we are right in that particular question. Let us move to next question, that is part number I. Let me write down below. -1 into -2 multiply by -3 multiply by 4. Here students, we are having 3 negative numbers and 3 is odd, so our final answer will be in negative. But students, since they are giving us 4 digits, you can do it directly also, but if you want to do it in groups, you can do it in groups also. So I am doing in group -1 into -2 multiply by -3 into 4. Minus and minus, since they are 2 numbers, so it will become plus, and 2 ones are 2. Multiply by 3 4s are 12, and since it is one negative number in this group, so I have written -12. And 12 2s are, you know very well, it is 24. So your answer will be -24. Now last part, that is J. -3 into -6 into -2 into -1. Here we are having 4 negative numbers and 4 is even, so our final answer will be positive. Don't forget students. Okay, so let us group again. First I am grouping first 2 numbers, and then I will group next 2 numbers. 2 even number and 6 3s are 18, so it is +18. Multiply by 2 and -2 and -1, again 2 integers with that is even, so multiply and give the positive number, and 18 2s is 36 students. This was very easy question number 1. I hope you are understanding these questions. If not, please go through the videos 3-4 times so that you may understand properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.